In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit the size of a CTA in HubSpot step by step. If your call to action button looks too small, too large, or just doesn't fit your page layout properly, this tutorial will walk you through how to adjust it quickly inside HubSpot. Whether you're optimizing for better conversions or simply improving design consistency, resizing your CTA can make a big difference. I'll guide you through where to find the CTA tool, how to edit your existing CTA, how to adjust the size settings, and finally, how to publish your changes correctly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and marketing tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the CTA tool inside HubSpot. Go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Marketing. From the dropdown, go to Lead Capture and then click on CTAs. Now, depending on your account, you may see two options. If that happens, choose CTAs Legacy. This is important because many accounts still manage button-based CTAs inside the Legacy tool, and that's where you'll be able to directly edit sizing and module settings. Once you click in, you'll see a list of all the CTAs you've created in your account. Next, we're going to edit the specific CTA that you want to resize. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the CTA you'd like to update. Once you found it, click on the Actions drop-down next to that CTA. From there, select Edit. This will open the CTA editor where you can modify the design and configuration settings. Inside this editor, you'll have access to styling options, layout controls, and depending on how the CTA was built, module customization features that allow you to adjust its overall appearance, including size. Now let's talk about adjusting the button size. Inside the module settings, you may see different content options depending on the type of CTA you're working with. In some cases, you might be working with a media-based CTA. For example, if there's an option labeled Upload a Video, you can click Replace, then choose Upload Files, and select a video directly from your computer. If instead you want to embed a video from an external source like YouTube or Vimeo, choose Embed Video and paste your video URL into the provided field. And if you're using HubSpot's file manager, you can select a video that's already uploaded under HubSpot Video. However, if your goal is specifically to change the button size itself, look for styling settings such as button size, padding, width, or custom CSS options. Depending on your theme or template, you may be able to switch between small, medium, or large presets, or manually adjust spacing and dimensions. Increase padding to make the button appear larger, adjust width to control how wide it spans across the container, and preview the changes in real time to ensure the CTA looks good on both desktop and mobile views. Always double-check responsiveness before finalizing your update. Once you're satisfied with the new size and appearance, the final step is to publish your changes. In the top right corner, click Update or Publish, depending on what your editor shows. This ensures that the resized CTA goes live across all pages where it's currently being used. After publishing, it's a good idea to visit one of your live pages and confirm that the CTA displays correctly and fits well within your layout. And that's it. You now know how to edit the size of a CTA in HubSpot quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.